previous class we are going to discuss about identity property. So in the previous videos we discussed about closure property, commutative property, associative property. Identity property means now we are going to check identity property in rational number system. Okay, identity property, role of 0. So what is the role of 0 in rational numbers or in any system? So if we add any number to 0, what we will get? We are getting the same number, 2 plus 0, 2. So if we add 0 to minus 3, we will get minus 3 remains same. If we add 0 to minus 1 by 2, we will get minus 1 by 2. So the value of the taken rational number remains same by adding 0. So by this we can generalize that if we add any rational number to 0, the value of the rational number remains same. For example, if we take a belongs to Q, so if we add 0 to A, what we will get? A we are getting. If we add A to 0, what we will get? In this case also we are getting the same number A. So in this case 0 is called an additive. 0 is called an additive identity of rational number system. Okay, so next identity property in multiplication. Okay, so 0 is a additive identity. Now we are going to discuss about multiplicative identity in rational number system. So if we, for example, I am going to simplify this fraction. Okay, I am taking 15 by 30. So how can we simplify? So 5 3 is 15, we can write it as 5 6 30. So we can write it as 5 by 5 into 3 by 6. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 1 into 1 by 2. So we are getting 1 by 2. In this case we are multiplying 1 by 2 with 1. So we are getting the same rational number. So we are using the multiplicative identity in so many problems solving. Okay, so if we A belongs to Q, so A into 1 equal to A, 1 into A equal to A. So in this case 1 is a multiplicative identity. By multiplying 1 we are getting the same number. So that is 1 is called a multiplicative identity in rational number system. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about inverse property. Okay, now we are going to discuss about fifth property, that is inverse property. So in this inverse property also we are going to discuss under addition and under multiplication. So additive inverse, first one is additive inverse discussion we are going to do. Okay, so if we take A, so if we add A to minus A, what we will get? So A plus into minus A means 0. Okay, by adding minus A we are getting the 0. Okay, so in this case minus A is a additive inverse. So for example, if we take 1 by 2, so how can we get 0? By adding minus 1 by 2 we are getting 0. That is 1 by 2 plus into minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 0. So in this case minus A is called a additive inverse of the given rational number. Okay, so this is inverse property under addition. Now we are going to discuss multiplicative inverse. Now we are going to discuss multiplicative inverse. Okay, so if we take A belongs to Q, A into 1 by A equal to 1. So by multiplying A with 1 by A, we are getting 1. Okay, so these 1 by A is called multiplicative. 1 by A is called multiplicative inverse. 1 by A is called multiplicative inverse in rational number system. So if we take for example A equal to 2, so multiplicative inverse of A equal to what? Multiplicative inverse of A and means 1 by A, that is 1 by 2. So multiplicative inverse of A equal to 1 by A. So in this discussion 2 points are very important. So additive inverse of plus A equal to minus A. Okay, additive inverse of plus A equal to minus A. Multiplicative inverse of A equal to 1 by A. So this is very important point when we are solving problems. So we will use these conditions. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about distributive property. So what is distributive property? A of B minus C equal to AB minus AC. So this is possible or not, we are going to check by taking examples. If we take A equal to 2 by 3, B equal to 1 by 2, C equal to minus 1 by 2. So I am going to check LHS at first. A of B minus C. So A means 2 by 3, B means 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 2 by 3, 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. So these fractions are directly like fractions. I am going to add directly. So 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 ones. 2 by 3 into 1. Okay. In this case also we got a identity. Okay. So multiplicative identity 2 by 3. So LHS we got 2 by 3. Now we are going to check RHS. AB minus AC. So A means 2 by 3, B means 1 by 2, minus A means 2 by 3, C means minus 1 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 by 3, 2s are 6, minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2 by 3, 2s are 6. Directly we got like fractions. So 2 plus 2, 4 by 6. Okay. So 2, I am going to cut with 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 by 3. So this is RHS. So LHS equal to RHS we got. By this we can generalize that the distributive property under subtraction is possible in rational number system. So luckily we got like fractions directly. So if we don't get like fractions, so we have to convert unlike fractions to like fractions, then only we can add or we can subtract. So by this we are completed the whole and soul discussion about properties of rational numbers. So in the next video we are going to discuss about exercise problems. So I think you understood well. If you think this is a useful video for you and your children, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.